You don't even realize it, but you are under attack, not by guns, not by armies, but by your own brain. Every time you open that screen, ***, porn is not entertainment. Porn is a trap. It's designed to destroy your mind, your confidence, your masculinity. And if you don't wake up now, it could destroy your future forever. Let's talk science. But simple, your brain is wired for survival. Thousands of years ago, finding a woman meant hard work. Hunting, protecting, building. Dopamine was your brain's reward for achievement. Today, you click a button and flood your brain with supernormal stimulation. It's fake. It's instant. Your brain can't tell the difference, and it thinks you just achieved something great. So what happens next? You become lazy. You lose your hunger to chase real goals. Your brain says, "Why hunt when you can just click?" And slowly, without even realizing, you lose your ambition. You lose your confidence around real women. You lose your drive to improve yourself. Every click is killing the warrior inside you. Look around you. Men today are weaker, sadder, more lost than ever. Teenagers with erectile dysfunction. Young men feeling empty, depressed, isolated. Zero ambition, zero purpose, zero energy. And do you know the worst part? They don't even know why. Society tells you it's normal. Everyone does it. Brother, it's not normal to feel empty after fake pleasure. It's not normal to escape reality for hours instead of building yourself. Porn is silently stealing your future while you laugh and scroll. You think it's an accident that porn is everywhere? No, it's engineered. Billion-dollar industries profit when you are. Distract Hedweke dead. A strong man, a man with discipline, energy, and ambition, is dangerous. He can't be controlled. He can't be sold fake products. He won't sit silent while his life falls apart. Porn addiction is not just about pleasure, it's about control. They keep you trapped while your true potential dies. Enough is enough. Here's your action plan to break free. ***1. Admit you have a problem. Stop pretending it's harmless. Be honest. It's eating your soul. 2. Cut the supply. Block all sites. Delete bookmarks. Remove Instagram models, TikTok trash from your feed. 3. Build a real life. You need hobbies, goals, challenges. Work out. Start a business. Learn skills. Chase real success. 4. Track your streaks. Use apps. Write it down. Celebrate day 1, day 2, until day 90 and beyond. 5. Cold showers and hard work. Every time you get an urge, take a freezing cold shower. Train your brain to associate discomfort with control. 6. Find accountability. A brother, a group, even a journal. You can't win this fight alone.